If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2020 Kia Sportage S in steel gray. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 18-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 15,000 miles on the odometer, an 8-inch touchscreen display, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, drive modes function, split folding rear seats, a dual pane panoramic sunroof, all powered by a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5996.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.